Hi everyone, welcome back to Burkeshire Farm. My name is Jackie.
Hi everybody, I'm Frank.
And today we are doing our first mail call. We got 2 packages in the mail. One is from Barb's Country Home and the other one is from Chris and Larry Homestead. So we're going to start with Barb's and we're going to go ahead and let Frank open that one.
All right.
Because
I know what's in here.
he does. He knows what's in there. He's very excited.
Yep. Yes, I am. There it is. Oh, there it is. You know what that is? I know what that is. That is a Hellboy pepper. And I looked online. It was on Barb's show that we saw her doing her gardening and that she was doing her Hellboy peppers. And in fact, I've got to be honest, and that is that I watched the video all the way back to where she said that she won these. She won it from Garden State Gardener, I believe. And anyways, I looked online. I was trying to find them. I couldn't find them anywhere, so I asked Barb. We asked Barb, where can we get a Hellboy pepper? And that's when she was so kind as to say, you know what? I'll send you a Hellboy pepper. And there it is. How exciting. And from what I understand, oh, go ahead.
And she also sent us a sticker in the with her logo on it.
Oh yeah, Barb's Country Home YouTube.
And she wrote a very important note in the card that she sent. She said, here is the Hellboy pepper. They are super hot, so please wear gloves.
Wear gloves
when removing the seeds or touching the peppers. So we will definitely be doing that. I normally don't wear gloves when I do jalapenos, but I'll take her advice and definitely wear them for this one.
And there's that. Barb's Country Home. And we will be sure to put a link down below for Barb's YouTube channel.
Yep, we definitely will. The other one came from Chris and Larry. Chris does a live YouTube every Monday at 12 o'clock. And she'll sometimes give away something to the people who are watching. And I think it was actually the very first time that we were watching her, we actually won one of her gifts, which is a t-shirt. And I know that that's what's in here, is a t-shirt. All right. There we go. Oh, and other things too.
Whoa.
And, let me just put this over here. So, she sent me my t-shirt,
Chris.
but she also sent a larger
wow.
one for Frank.
Oh my land sakes alive.
And there are
look at that.
Her t-shirts with her logo. These shirts are super, super soft. Wow.
Oh my gosh, Chris. Thank
beautiful
you.
Shirts. Beautiful, beautiful shirts. And I do believe she sells them on her website or Etsy store. I'm not sure which one it is, but definitely very, very nice.
Oh.
With a card with her logo on it.
Oh, and we got, what? You know what?
And it says here, thank you so much for coming in our lives. Here is the shirt that you won and an extra. Thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you very much, Chris. And look at, I think this is it's like a magnet.
That one's a magnet.
It's a refrigerator magnet.
And then this is her sticker.
And they got, oh wow, you know what? I remember her saying something about this on one of her videos, one of her video live chats, that you want to be sure to make everything the same.
So people know who you are. And that's it. Even the back of her package.
The bag.
Yeah, even the back of her
package. Look at that.
Excellent.
Wow, excellent ideas.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. You know what? And I just noticed something that I hadn't noticed before, and that is the shape of their logo is the shape of the state of Arizona. That's where they're at. They're in Arizona, where we came from.
Where we actually came from, yeah.
That is awesome. Wow. We will definitely put a link down below for Chris and Larry's channel as well. Be sure to go down there and click on them and check them out. They're both very awesome YouTube channels.
Barb's YouTube channel shows a lot of growing gardens here in Texas. And a lot of flowers. She has beautiful flowers that she grows, and of course she has her chickens.
Yeah, her garden, everything she grows is just incredible.
Yes.
I mean, the size of the kohlrabies and just absolutely beautiful vegetable garden that she has.
And Chris, she's out in the desert, so if you're in the desert and you need to learn how to grow or raise animals, it's a great YouTube channel to go to. They have a garden that they grow, but they also have pigs that they raise, and they have goats that they raise.
Yep, really into the goats.
Very, very informative YouTube channel to learn from.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you for stopping by today and joining us on our first mail call. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're not, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and share our videos with your friends and your family who you think might enjoy them. And of course, don't forget that like button. That helps us out here on our channel. And he's going to burn his nose. See? He's going to sniff on it and burn his nose.
That's it. Pretty good pepper. Oh.
Alrighty, so go ahead and hit that like button.
Yes. And until next time,
Have a blessed day.
God bless everybody.